Yeah, let's see. Oh, that certainly did something. There we go. Alright. And we got an open. Alright. That's a little surprising. Oh! Got that kind of an open, huh? Alright. Well, looks like I'm going to have to take her apart. Alright. I accidentally got the pins through the bottom. Let's see if I can... need something a little bit better than that, I think. Might even have them tilted at this point. That's unfortunate. Now, let's just go ahead and get it open. Alright. This guy is inside. Yeah. Interesting issue, but I'm sure we can fix it. And removing? This is one of those like, I'm gonna break my nails. Alright, so what I need is something nice and thin to go under there. Actually, let's see, I've got, there we go, some 20 stock. That might do it. That's the right size. All right. Okay, good. All right, so we're moving. It's unfortunate we're going to have to do this 2 more times, but let's see what I got. What do I got? This guy right here is what I got. All right. Okay. Not bad, not bad. We got a spring. Those are some tiny springs. Okay, number 3 in the back. Let's see, let me use the pick here so we can pick him out. Oh, there he goes. Somewhere. Let's see. That's him. Right there. All right. Need my tweezers. I also need my reading glasses. So that's the back that receives the spring, and then the nice little piece there. All right. Onward. Yeah, I think if I lose one of these springs, it's just a foregone conclusion that she gone. There we go. Spring number 1. Spring number 2. And you can see the cupping there inside those pins. And they both came out just right. So this one comes in right here. This one comes in right here. All right, so that is right side. Okay. What I may do is, yeah, you know what? I think I'm just going to lock it back up. And then that way we can go ahead and do pin number 1. Well, pin number 3. Pin number 2. And pin number 1. All right, so this is the right side. I will go ahead and manipulate this one. It doesn't look like that really came off the way that I wanted it to. And good. Oh, there it is. Already had it out. All right, let me get. There we go. These things bend so nicely when I use this. All right. So let's see if I've got. Yeah, I got it now. Let's see, what do I want to use? I think I'll use this just because. All right. So this is top number 3. Oh, there he went. Let me get that little, well, you know what? We'll do it this way. Top number 2. Put that at the top there. And number 1. Put this above right. Okay, we got the cupped with 1. Came out looking like that. Or pardon me, number 3. Number 2. Came out looking like that. And number 1 comes out looking like that. All right. Can you guess what my favorite miniature pinning tray is? I guess this is kind of to be expected with any high pin count. Three, 2, 'I hate it when that happens. Alright, where did you land? Yeah, you right here. Yeah, I'll probably find him later. Alright, so I guess we can go ahead and do pin number 1. So again, start off with that little cupped piece right here. Very long pin. Little cup piece, very long pin again. Oh, looks like it just dropped its last one though. There we go. So that's the position that those were in. I suppose if you need to, you can zoom in and rewind. And you got a spinny core. Let's see, where's my gut and wrench? If I have my gut and wrench, we'll just take the core out real quick, just for funsies. Maybe. Might not fit though. I'm trying to remember. I think this guy might not fit if we try to take him out. Where is my gut and wrench? There it is. I wonder if this side will do it. Nope. Definitely needs to be this one. Hopefully nobody gets mad about the core going out of the frame for this part. Yeah, I don't think that's going to come off. maybe I can try some more. Give it a little more what for. I also want to double check underneath there. Nope, that is not where that spring went. Wonder where she went. Oh, we got some type of a small BB here too. I have to dig in and find out what the heck that's to. All right. Nope, I'm just chasing her around. I could check and see if I can do anything else about this. Doesn't look like it. Looks like I'm going to have a hard time between, which I believe there's an issue getting it out because of this piece, maybe. But then the other pieces, I can't get this off of here, from what I can tell. I mean, I might be able to, probably not safely. Yep, getting nothing out of that. Wish I could do this at an angle. Just throw it in there. And that might work right there, huh? Let's see. She's coming. There we go. Till she doesn't want to come out, but she gonna. Alright, let's find out if there's any surprises here. Yeah, looks like we got some, yep, we got the problem right there. The one that I thought I was gonna have. Yep. Does not fit. Alright. Well, it was fun while it lasted as far as trying to get that to stick around. I don't know, did I? Is that maybe where I lost the ball bearing? I don't know. I'll find out. Alright, well, that's it, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.